Unit 6.
Agree. Agree is a verb. When you agree with someone, you think the same way as the other person. Sam and I agree that ice skating is fun. Now you say the word. Agree. Agree. Bare. Bare is an adjective. If something is bare, it is not covered. I put my bare legs into the water. Now you say the word. Bare. Bare. Famous. Famous is an adjective. A famous person is someone who is known by many people. Babe Ruth is a baseball player who is famous. Now you say the word. Famous. Famous. Feast. Feast is a noun. A feast is a very large meal on a special day. Mom cooks a feast on Thanksgiving Day. Now you say the word. Feast. Feast. Gentle. Gentle is an adjective. If something is gentle, it is very soft and mild. I gave my baby sister a warm and gentle hug. Now you say the word. Gentle. Gentle. Hero. Hero is a noun. A hero is a person you look up to for having done something good and brave. The boy is a hero for rescuing the cat from the tree. Now you say the word. Hero. Hero. Leader. Leader is a noun. A leader is a person who shows people where to go or how to do something. We follow the leader up the path. Now you say the word. Leader. Leader. Notice. Notice is a verb. If you notice something, you see it. The mouse was so quiet, the cat did not notice it. Now you say the word. Notice. Notice. Notice is a noun. A notice is a sign put up for people to read. Dad read the notice about the missing dog. Now you say the word. Notice. Search. Search is a verb. If you search for something, you look for it. Please help me search for my lost shoes. Now you say the word. Search. Search. Weak. Weak is an adjective. If you feel weak, you do not feel strong. You cannot lift that heavy box if you are weak. Now you say the word. Weak. Weak.